Can I help you? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Hi. Hi.
Hello,
I'm
sir.
Jody.
I'm
I'm
the
the
one that called.
homeowner. I'm at work, and my daughter's. I think she's home.
Are you
She
talking
might
to
have
my
left.
wife right now?
But my husband reached out to you
Yes,
guys.
talking to the wife. Yes.
Okay, you can
Yeah,
let.
because
She
there
saw
was
the
a
guy
man,
first.
and
I
he
don't know
was
if it was
going through
just
our
an
mailbox. And he was
accidental, came
knocking
to
on
the
our
wrong
door, but
house
we
because he
weren't sure
does
if he
see
had the
something
wrong
at the
house.
end of the video, but I'm not too sure because he did knock
hear
on the
me?
door afterwards, but then he took off.
Yeah,
Okay.
sorry. Both of you are coming through at the same time,
All
so
right,
it's a
I'll let
little
her.
hard to
I'll let
tell.
her talk.
Okay, I'll let
I'll
my
let her
husband
talk to you.
okay?
Okay. All right. Thank
I'm
you.
gonna
All right,
hang up.
thank you, sir.
Okay. I'm sorry. Go ahead.